Have you ever dreamed of making money online with digital products, but got stuck on the whole creating them from scratch part? It's a huge hurdle for so many people. But what if I told you there's a way to skip that entire step and still build a successful digital product business? This is exactly what we're talking about today, and it's a secret that most beginners completely miss. We're diving into the world of PLR digital products. PLR stands for private label rights. Think of it like this. These are products like ebooks, planners, templates, or courses that have already been created by someone else. You purchase the rights to them, which allows you to rebrand them, put your own name on them, and sell them as if you made them yourself. It's the ultimate shortcut to having a digital product ready to sell, sometimes in less than a day. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to find, rebrand, and start selling PLR products, even if you're a total beginner. So step 1 is finding high-quality PLR products. This is crucial because not all PLR is created equal. You want to avoid the generic, outdated stuff. Look for reputable PLR websites that offer modern and valuable content. Some of my favorites offer everything from social media templates to in-depth guides on topics like marketing or wellness. When you're browsing, think about your target audience. What problems are they trying to solve? Find a PLR product that offers a direct solution to one of those problems. For example, if your audience struggles with meal planning, a PLR recipe book or a meal planner template would be perfect. Always check the license terms to make sure you have the right to rebrand and resell it. Once you've got your PLR product, it's time for the fun part, making it your own. This is step 2, rebranding. Most beginners fail because they just try to sell the product as is. Don't do that. You need to infuse your own brand's personality into it. The easiest way to do this is using a free tool like Canva. Upload the PLR file, many come as templates, and start customizing. Change the colors to match your brand palette. Swap the fonts to your brand fonts. Redesign the cover to make it eye-catching and unique. Go through the content and add your own insights, examples, or stories. You could even add a new chapter or a bonus checklist. The goal is to elevate the product so it's no longer just a generic PLR item, but a premium product from your brand. Okay, you found your product and rebranded it. Now what? Step 3 is packaging and pricing. You need to make your offer irresistible. Instead of just selling the one ebook or planner, why not bundle it? For example, if you have a PLR ebook on social media marketing, you could bundle it with some PLR social media templates and a content calendar. This instantly increases the perceived value. When it comes to pricing, don't be afraid to price based on the value you provide, not the low cost of the PLR. A well-rebranded and bundled product that solves a real problem can easily sell for $30, $40, or even $50. Research what similar products are selling for in your niche and price competitively. The final step, step 4, is setting up your sales system and marketing. You need a place to sell your product. You can use platforms like Etsy, StanStore, or Gumroad. They make it super easy to upload your digital file and create a sales page. Your sales page should be clear and compelling. Use the mock-ups you created in Canva to show off your beautiful, rebranded product. Clearly state who the product is for and what transformation it will provide. Once your shop is live, it's time to promote it. The best way to do this is by creating content that attracts your ideal customer. Make short-form videos on TikTok or Instagram Reels that give a sneak peek into the product or share tips related to its topic. Use your email list, post in relevant Facebook groups, get the word out there. Consistency is key. So there you have it, the 4-step blueprint to turn PLR products into daily digital sales. Find a quality product, rebrand it to make it uniquely yours, package it into an irresistible offer, and market it consistently. This method removes the biggest barrier for beginners and puts you on the fast track to running your own digital product business. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips to grow your online business. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried using PLR products. I'd love to hear about it. See you in the next video.